Hi.
Hi.
Hello. How are you guys?
Good. How are you?
Very good.
We are good.
Excited.
Firstly,
Songs are a very good
congratulations.
relief.
Yeah.
Sorry. Thank you.
Congratulations, firstly, for entering the new phase in your life, and that too in such a difficult situation.
I know. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, yes. So, you had welcomed your little baby in this difficult time. So, what was going through your mind, and how did you like? What was your thought when, as parents, like, how will this happen?
I think we were initially a little concerned. So we spoke to our doctors. We were trying to Google everything and we were panicking. After some time, when we spoke to everyone,
The doctors are very nice, even the hospital, and they assured us that it'll be fine. And then have some positive vibes, feeling.
Yeah.
That's how it went very smoothly. Actually, throughout the pregnancy, I've been very positive and very hopeful. Nothing was. I just said, "Don't worry, everything will be fine," and everything kept going fine. So
Yeah.
yeah,
That is the positive thoughts are always important.
yeah.
So, what are the changes like in this new zone of your life?
Changes. I think everything has changed, and
there are dark circles now everywhere. She got makeup, so she's covered up.
yeah, I have covered everything up with makeup. But the truth is, anybody who loves to sleep can totally forget about it. Once they have a baby, you are going to have sleepless nights, and you are going to be deprived not just of sleep, can be food also, everything. I mean, everything has to go according to the baby. So I have to kind of time everything. If I have to go for a shower, then next time when she sleeps, I'll go for a shower. Next time when she sleeps, I'll go for a walk. And you can anytime get a call that come back, she's crying. So
that's for all the people who are looking to become parents.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to scare you.
But there are also very good things.
Mostly good things, but then these are
nice because you can keep in times of Corona also you can watch your baby and you can be smiling, be happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite.
And then you feel it's all worth it. Like all the sleepless nights, all the pain, everything is just worth it once you have a look at the baby and when she sleeps peacefully. Actually, that's the best time when she's sleeping peacefully.
And this is the best thing also. Like you guys have time for your baby now.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we're saying. So because of this lockdown, I was going to get time anyway, but Gautam got to spend a lot of time with her. He's watching her grow every day, which is a great thing.
And thankfully, the song is releasing Wajah, so I can make glories out of the song.
Yeah.
Yes. I was coming to that song.
सोने की, आपको नहीं हमें.
Yeah.
So how was it working on Wajah after marriage? Like you had worked together in Meri Aashiki Tumse and then the song. So how was it working together with each other again?
I think we were pretty comfortable. It's our comfort zone and better than working with any other actor. I mean, if I get to work with my husband, then nothing like it.
And we keep making videos, like romantic songs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Of course, this is more on a bigger scale and a better, platform. I think the song really inspired us. Vacha written and sung very well by Rahul, and thankfully to Jackie and Just Music, they gave us this opportunity.
Yeah.
Which is good, I think.
We loved the song. The first time we heard the song, we knew it's going to be a big hit. And we were so glad that we are going to be a part of it.
कि finally एक गाना हमारा होगा जो लोग कॉपी करके वीडियोस बनाएंगे. हम भी ऐसे बनाते हैं. Romantic videos तो जरूर बनाना सबने.
Exactly.
Yeah, that will come. So
yeah.
It is beautiful.
I've already got like some thousands of videos. People have, put their own versions of it with their videos behind.
Yeah.
So, thank God.
So coming to you, Smriti, like we have seen your journey, like in just 1 week. How did you come back to that normal thing?
I think that is the question that everybody wants to know.
Everybody
But
wants to know.
So I just want to say that I have not worked hard as much as I am getting appreciated for it. So I don't want to take so much credit for that. But I think it's my body and my genetics. They have behaved in a certain way, and it was easier for me to get back into shape so soon. And
She hasn't worked hard, just 10,000 steps a day has been normal.
no, but yeah, I
I mean,
used
these
to
are
walk.
parts of stuff which people should generally do,
Yeah.
and that's what she's followed honestly. Because
Yeah.
he was speaking to a lot of friends who are living in different countries, and they're saying that they are doing Zumba dance and all when they're pregnant.
Yeah, so then people abroad, they do jogs, they do Zumba dance, they swim regularly. So everybody doing that. In India, I think there are a lot of myths that the moment they realize somebody's pregnant, they say you just eat and be on the bed, which is not the right
Yeah.
way of going about it. So you have to be very active and you have to just eat nutritious food. Even if you were eating junk before and just fat before, people think that you eat fat, then the baby is going to be fat, but fat is not healthy. So baby is going to grow if you eat maybe protein more, not fat. So
Yeah.
people need to really educate themselves, and then they can, I think, have a very healthy and good pregnancy. And being active, I think, is very important till the last day. Yeah.
Yes.
तो पिनिया मत
Yeah.
खाओ.
Yeah. And like as we have seen, even Mahi, which was pregnant, and she got trolled for some like unnecessary
That's
things.
really
Then
bad, you know. I think
and
people.
even
Yeah, sorry.
yeah, and
Yes.
even if you were like even they were surprised asking that how can you be you do it so quickly. So what is with these trolls? Like why are only celebrities into spotlight that they are always asked about like this pregnancy issues? What is
If somebody
like the
gains
trolls?
weight, somebody doesn't gain weight, which is also a problem. So I think trollers will troll,
Okay.
and you can't do much about it. Sometimes it really affects also. I'm honestly telling you, I mean, not that I am just not affected. Some comments are really mean, and
It
people
does.
are really nasty, but that's okay. I mean, all you need to do is you have to ignore at the end of the day, because no matter how much you argue or fight, or it's not really going to help. So I also did that. I ignored most of the bad comments, and people,
I think people are looking for attention. It's easier to
they
give attention
think that,
to
you know, I was not
a
healthy
different
enough.
comment.
Yeah. So if regarding my pregnancy also, they kept saying that you don't care about your baby, that's why you're not gaining weight, and you're just, so all those comments. But you
Yeah.
know, I, of course, a mother will know the best. And people who gain weight also, it's totally fine. I mean, everybody's body is different. It reacts in a different way.
Yeah.
Pregnancy is a really big thing. It's a very big change, and everybody's hormones are going to behave in a different way. And I don't think the last thing somebody should do is troll a mother. You know, she's
Yeah.
going to give birth to, like, bring another human in the world. And that is really sad. I mean, people who do that.
Actually,
Yeah.
it is. So I have got some questions for you from fans. Like
Mhm.
they have been asking about Meri Aashiki Tumse Hi. So
Maybe
tell us
actually in
some, tell us some fond memories from that show. Like both had.
हाँ, there was एक तो मुझे दो तीन बातें बिल्कुल याद है, which
बहुत ही
I
खास मेमोरी है.
तू बता
तो मुझे कभी नहीं पता था कि ये मेरे बेटे की माँ बनने वाली
तो
है.
ये memory
और
नहीं है.
होने के बाद मुझे याद आया कि एक पूरा सीन था मेरी आशिकी में. When I went and I actually told the person who was asking me to do the scene, in that scene I had to tell her like in 5 different ways that तुम मेरे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हो.
नहीं
तुम्हारे पेट में मेरा बच्चा है.
नहीं
मैं किसी और का बच्चा.
तूने बोला था तुम किसके बच्चे की माँ बनने
ये
वाले
तो
हो?
पूरा गलती मुझे लगा.
ये मुझे इसने पूरे शो में मुझे अक्यूज किया कि ये बच्चा मेरा नहीं है, इसने मुझसे शादी तोड़ दी और बोलता है तुम किसके बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हो. और जब हमारा एक्चुअली बेबी हुआ, मैंने कहा देखा तेरा ही बच्चा है, देख तेरे ही जैसा दिख रहा है. तूने मुझसे 5 साल पहले पूछा था ना, ये ले जवाब.
But
That
maybe
was-
after we were just like friends and
Very
we didn't hang
casual
much.
friends. Yeah, we didn't hang much, and we
Yes.
were just, yeah, we.
Okay. And so tell us about your love story. How did you like how? What was that one thing that got you both together?
I think during the show there was nothing like that.
We met after a couple of months.
Yeah, after the show got over, that's when we
Met
started
few
hanging out,
times.
yeah,
Off
together.
and on.
Yeah.
Must have realized कि अभी क्या करना है जिंदगी में, चलो शादी. कोई नहीं मिला.
अच्छा, ये सोचा था इसने. अभी अभी जब ये कॉल एंड होगी ना,
कोई काम नहीं दे रहा है, शादी कर
अब
लेते हैं,
हमें-
Yeah.
मेरा काम मिल जाए, फॉलो इनके ज्यादा है, मेरे नहीं है.
अब इससे बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा होने वाला है इस बात पे.
Yeah, it is the lockdown also. You cannot escape also.
Yeah. No, I think I'm going to answer this by pulling a prank on him, maybe.
Yeah, that's very much needed. I keep,
That's my way of dealing with it.
we keep getting
Yeah.
a lot of messages still. Please, we need some more prank videos.
पर प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि गुस्सा ही नहीं होता, इसको गुस्सा नहीं आता है. I think people love that also. मैं इस पे कोई भी
Yeah.
prank कर दूं, इस पे पानी फेंक दूं, इस पे कुछ भी कर दूं, ये बेचारा स्माइल कर देता है और गुस्सा भी नहीं करता.
एंटरटेनमेंट करना चाहते हैं हम, एंटरटेनमेंट चाहते भी हैं हमेशा, हमारे साथ भी एंटरटेनमेंट होना चाहिए, तो मजा आता
Yeah,
है.
it's good actually.
Oh, somebody's saying, please ask them if they visit Pakistan ever. I love them. I would love to visit Pakistan. You know, my grandparents were from Lahore, and it's my dream कि मैं किसी दिन Lahore जाऊँ. But
Yeah, definitely.
yeah,
Pakistan is a nice place. I've been there once for a
Yeah.
friend's wedding.
yeah,
But good.
I would love
Nice
to.
place.
Yeah. Oh, you've been, nah? He's been, and I've never been. You went to
Yeah, very
Karachi,
nice.
na?
Yeah, for a friend's
He
wedding.
went to Karachi. I want to go to Lahore.
Very, very nice people and very warm.
Yeah,
Good fun.
yeah.
Very good, very good food.
Yeah. So people are also asking about your bond with Radhika Madan. Like she has done so huge. Like she's been into Bollywood and she has done a great job in
I
Angrezi
know
media.
she's doing so
She's
well,
amazing.
and I'm so happy for her. We watch everything that she's been a part of, and we've really
I
genuinely
feel proud
enjoyed.
inside, you know.
Exactly, not just because she's my friend, but otherwise also she's doing a great job, and she's a very good actor and performer. And she's
Yeah.
always been good. I think in the show also
Yeah.
she was really good,
Yeah.
and she's very hardworking. So I think that's what I really admire about her.
And the good part is, I think she enjoys it a lot also.
And there's somebody asking about your baby. What is she doing right now?
She's sleeping. Thank God. We love these moments when she goes to sleep. और हम उसको बस प्यार से देख सकते हैं. Otherwise, when she is up and if she starts crying, वैसे she's a good baby. I'm not going to say
No,
that. She's
That's okay.
very behaved most of the times, but when she's hungry, then we get so panicked. कि, "Oh, क्या करें?" and all that.
No, but otherwise she's very cute. She has these one-sided smiles.
Yeah. When she's sleeping, she keeps smiling with me. So
This is
yeah,
That's
Yeah.
cute.
yeah, very cute.
And
cute poses she makes when she sleeps. You can we see us put up these poses?
Yeah.
Can't resist but put them up.
yeah. And somebody is asking like, does she has a Facebook, Instagram page like every other?
No, I think a lot of fans have created a lot of pages for her already. और अब हमको
Yeah.
ID नहीं मिल रहा उसके लिए, क्योंकि सारे
I
ID
request some fans, please. वो IDs जरा वापस दे दो.
सारे बन गए हैं. अनायका गुप्ता, नायका डॉट गुप्ता, नायका अंडरस्कोर गुप्ता, सारे
Naika
IDs,
Gautam Smriti, Naika Smriti Gautam.
सारे IDs are taken. So we don't have any ID for her right now.
तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्लीज हमारी आईडी एक वापस कर दो. प्लीज कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, after Baja, so when can we see you both again, like on the small screen, together, like as a couple?
Hopefully soon. I think we are trying to create something. It's going to be on the web, and hopefully you will see our chemistry again in that. And it's going to be comedy. I think that is something people really enjoy and love watching. And romantic comedy. So तो उसमें romance भी होगा और comedy भी होगी. Yeah.
Then you guys are the perfect ones for that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So, like, I've like many fans have been asking. Wait 1 minute. There was one question I lost it. Okay.
So a lot of people are asking about Lucas.
So I should ask fans, you know, when we ask them how do they like this song, what do they like in the song?
Yeah.
I really want to know.
Yeah.
To know the reviews. From
It was about the song.
Yeah. What is everybody enjoying our song? Have you liked it? Rahul has sung it beautifully. I think.
Yeah.
Even
It is.
from Pakistan.
Arey, thank you. So many fans from Pakistan.
Lucas दिखा दें please. हाँ, Lucas को दिखाते हैं.
Lucas को बुलाते हैं, उसके सबसे ज्यादा fans हैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah. Everybody is asking that.
You know Lucas is a dog.
Yes.
Oh, okay, you know ना हाँ. पता नहीं कहाँ है यहीं पे घूम रहा था अभी तो.
Yeah, she was asking how did you come up with the name Anaika?
There was a whole long thing about coming up with the name Anaika. For a month, we were all debating because the whole family had to agree with the name. You know, it wasn't
Yeah.
very easy. But eventually,
Lucky come.
one second.
Okay. The star is here now.
Hi Lucas. See.
Who's the other thing?
Hello.
He's running after the camera now. Hi Lucas.
Okay, wish completed.
Oh.
So then,
Talking
Anaika.
Anaika.
Then usually we eventually agreed on this name Anaika. There were other names, Anaisha, then a few others which were rejected. And some were too
Yeah.
complicated, some are sounding like that, some are okay. Finally, Anaika. Basically, we gave ourselves a deadline. अब तो आज तो करना ही है.
Yeah, after
अगले
20
दिन भी
days.
नाम आएगा कि नहीं कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा. That's it.
How cute that was. And it was like, you guys look so good together.
Right.
The first picture you had posted is still fresh in our minds and it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you so much for joining with us, and
Thank you. It was
love
lovely
chatting with you guys.
Thank you. But I request everybody to make their own versions of the song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you
Guys,
copy other people's song, you can take our music for the first time and make your versions as much as you want.
and do all your romantic stuff on that video and do tag us. We would love to see it and we will repost the best ones on our account also.
And we'll comment also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.